Hi. Let's learn how to unpublish the Facebook page. Log in to Facebook account. Click the right drop-down arrow. Select the page to be unpublished. Click Setting right side next to Help. Click on first option is Page Visibility. Click Edit dash, select Unpublished, click Save Changes. Then click on the Next button. And click the Upgrade. Then click on Close button. Click Page on left top below Facebook icon. Now your page is unpublished. Download our app and learn. Thank you.